Big verse in the motherfucking cut. I'm with my boy Hus. Y'all already know if it ain't shot by Hus, I don't even want to watch that shit, bro. Was you at
What's going on over there, my boy?
Yo.
Close it up again. I want to make sure the blue light hits your face.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, it's too sick.
Yeah.
Let's see how the blue just hits her face.
Yeah.
From like a drug themed music video to like something like so like magical. Like,
Yeah.
what the fuck? Yes sir, we back. I told you guys, the grind don't stop. We back with it. About to do a ball shoot. I'm about to take you guys with me. Secret location, secret location. Good game, good game, good game. You know. Hey, good game, my boy.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You know the vibes, man. Big ape shit.
Leaguer, 5-star. You dig? Who that is? Who that is? Yeah.
Ultimate. What the fuck?
Come on, you know you gotta treat yourself. Any chance you can, especially during these times, you know where I be at. Hello?
Hey, honey. Someone put your car in the parking lot, but these nice people took down the license plate.
No way.
Yeah. Do you want to go look?
Hey, can I look? What? No way.
Michael's in the black Tahoe, so he got the license plate number. Who did it?
Oh, I appreciate it so much. Look how I'm stepping now. Someone hit me. I wonder where did they hit it?
I'm not sure.
Oh, I'm looking crazy outside right now.
I know, I'm sorry.
Where did they hit it?
Just at the front, she backed out and just hit the front of your car, and your car moved.
Yeah.
And then they left. And then I'm like, before I could get out and hit them and say, hey, you can't do that.
Yeah.
I said, so I'm pretty sure this is their license number. Here.
Okay. I don't know if that's anything to claim though. I was gonna try to give you a $200. You tell them, you know?
I don't think it's any damage, man. But still, they can't do that.
Yeah.
Can't do that to you, my friend.
Have a good day, alright? Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. Peep game. So a weight trainer asked me to do a video for her. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. We back, man. Dorm life, res life. Back in the trenches, you know it's about to go down. More ball content. I gotta whisper because everybody's asleep. You guys don't even know the half of it. You see me outside. I think this basketball trip is canceled for me because I have a slight cough. Everything is correlated with, you know what I mean? The vid. I took a test and all that too. Everything was negative. I don't show symptoms but coughing, man. Shit, and I'm missing out on a sick 4-day opportunity in the States because of this. The guy's about to leave New Jersey and stuff, and I'm just out here, man. Just annoyed. I guess I gotta see what these next couple of days got in store for me, because I don't feel sick or nothing, bro. But gotta take precaution, right? Yeah, so I'm in the beginning stages of planning my trip, and I'm going for health and business purposes. You know what I'm saying? So, actually, let me get straight to the point, man. I'm getting veneers. See my teeth? They straight, but they kind of stained up. So listen, I'm getting veneers, and this is gonna happen. Phone call with my peoples. Pop it up here. And I had a talk with, what's that? Is this spicy?
Gonna change your life, my boy. Grab another one, man. Grab another cup.
I talked to a Colombian dentist and I talked to a Turkey dentist. And pop it up here, pop it up here. Boom. So I'm gonna make a decision, and then you guys are gonna be involved with my trip.
I can't even talk, man. Yo, you're in for. Yo, you're disgusting. Realize I didn't eat nothing, right? You see that, right? Okay.
Put on a chip.
Every time my mom, go ahead.
Trini pepper. So this is what we're gonna prank TR with. You know what I'm saying? He's in for a treat. His booty hole gonna flame up. Is this much?
It's whatever you want. Let me see how much.
Yeah, I just clean up the lid.
Oh, some juice right now. Yo, bro, you crazy. You're not good in your.
You know what I did too?
Yeah, you know.
I put the sauce down on my tongue first. No, I didn't need it.
You sure, bro?
It's spicy, but
you feel it.
But it's like a good heat.
It's hot still, but you're
like
used to spice.
You feel the spice. Anyways, oh there you go. 420 milligrams. That's a lot, bro. You can smell the spice in that.
Fam.
Bloody benchod.
You already know.
Go on the next side.
We in this.
So take this in. We're gonna do a food challenge. See? So I'm vlogging. So boom, we're gonna do a food challenge. It's the whoever's involved, right?
Yeah.
There's a reward. Let me find this, man. Yeah, I think you're gonna body it, bro. It's spicy noodles.
Give me the gloves, man.
Who that is, man?
You know we in the cup, man. What the cook up, chef up there, good. You already know.
Yeah, which one? Which one is the spiciest one?
This one looks mad, yo. Actually, this one actually.
Volcano. This is the newest one.
Black History Month, man. Look at the black noodles.
Saturated. Racist.
That's 8,000. Guess how much this one is?
Calories?
No.
Scoville level.
Scoville. So basically heat level.
Heat level.
Oh, that one's like what, like 10,000?
Nope.
11,000?
Guess one more time.
25,000.
Nope.
500,000.
500,000. Oh,
yeah, we have to get this one done.
Yeah, you're
We have to get this one
I
done.
have to get this one.
Someone has to die today.
The pet just touched down.
Man got the artificial shrimp. What the? Ain't no rap cam, man. We really doing this. Them spicy noodles. Here, that's the rule. Look, no drinking while eating the noodles.
For how long? 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes is good. Boom. No drinking, no eating ice cream, no, you know.
For 5 minutes, you're good.
For 5 minutes, you just have to body the whole, and you have to body the bowl in 2 minutes. Mango cat. TR, a real trench baby, man. I don't think what I put under here is even enough, man. Oh man, evidence. You know what I'm saying?
The man brought me out of my house to eat noodles.
Yes, sir. Talk to him.
We're gonna eat this right now, right?
Just have some pork.
We gonna eat this shit right now?
We're gonna finish it with the spicy challenge. So yeah, you got 4 minutes or 3 minutes to eat this.
We got 2 minutes.
2 minutes? 2 minutes? 2 minutes to eat it?
No, we got 4 minutes.
4 minutes. 4 minutes to eat it. You gotta sit with the heat and within 5 minutes. Right?
It look like blood.
It is.
We vampires, eh? They call me spectacular.
I'm with some real church babies, man. The real church. Oh, this is dark, bro.
God dang. Fucking need a
What, glass of
big glass of water.
Ice cream.
You get me?
Yo.
Get me, bro.
What's real time?
Real time
What's
is
real time?
time to eat this.
Okay, ready? Ready? Wait, hold on. I need to take off.
Zone 5.
Alright.
The motherfucking kizzle.
You ready?
The motherfucking cut.
I'm saying,
Oh,
Got
God.
all.
Thank you for this food.
If I die
Man will
today,
be nourished.
all I wanted to tell you was,
Amen. Let's go.
I love my life.
Damn, they're capping. This ain't hot. Oh, it's just going in. Oh, it's hot, bro. Woo. At first it's not hot, and then when it goes,
But yo, I'm not trying to feel the heat.
now you gonna feel the heat. Your booty hole gonna burn today. No cap. Oh, bro, it's hot, bro. I don't think I can go for a second, but
Get hot. I'm down with some volcano shit, man.
yeah, I don't know. Tears good. How many scoops are you doing?
Half.
That's not much to know. Okay, bro.
You can drink, will we eat it?
No, can't drink. That's you lose. Chill. Bro, we have 4 minutes.
Game over.
Yo, Yo, if
He not.
you don't hit that 4 minutes, you're not gonna win the HQ.
It's cool, bro. I don't need the HQ that bad, but fuck it. I'm gonna finish this shit.
Let's get it. Untuggle my chain, and let's get it.
I'm done. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Oh,
Bro, it hurts. No, Tio, it hurts. It hurts. How you doing this, bro? How are you doing this?
I'm done still.
Boom. Now you have to sit for 5 minutes.
Nah, that was.
Yeah, you do. This is part of the challenge, right? Oh. Yo. Nah. Yo. Yo. Yo.
Oh, hell no.
Yo, where you going, sir? Yo.
Hey, yo.
Go.
I'm trying to live.
We in the trenches, baby. It's hot in this.
You got 4 more minutes.
It's winter time, but it's still hot in this.
Can you finish it? This guy finished it. Oh.
It's not that bad, yo. It's bad, but it's like.
As long as you keep moving, you don't feel it.
Oh my god. Can get it, man.
Y'all gonna be here for a minute, eh?
Oh man, this is too much, bro.
He needs some milk. He needs some milk.
2 minutes. Oh.
This guy caught me slipping. Caught me slipping, homie. Yo, here's some lifestyle. Damn, this got me fucking crying.
You cry, baby.
Fucking crying,
You're
man.
a cry, baby, my boy. You had ice?
Yeah, probably.
You had some ice?
Yo, you want? No, I didn't have.
Yeah, you did.
I swear to God, I
You did.
That's it.
No, I don't want. You have 1 minute left. You're the only one in the challenge. We never even finished it.
Yo, fam, the last minute. What the hell? I'm pretty much over it now. Let's get it.
Whew. You won your bag, man. You deserve it. Last time the challenge, man.
Hey, yo.
What happened?
Fuck, I got it in my eye, yo.
The sauce?
Yeah, fam.
Oh. How you feeling, fam?
Oh man, I'm feeling like a motherfucking hot fucking nigga right now.
Bro, you're a real trench baby. It didn't affect this guy. Yo, nothing affects TR.
Nothing, fam.
So you won the chat. You won the.
Baby in the cut. You already know.
We need to tell you something. Let me hold this real quick. See this, right? This actually had some spicy chili pepper in it. Extra hot. 10 times hotter than the packs that we used. How do you feel?
Well, I mean, shit. I felt it, but damn, I'm still out here, you know.
We can't practice trench, baby.
I ain't gonna do that shit again, no. That's for sure.
This guy said, we ain't gonna do that again, that's for sure. Couldn't even prank him. Real trench, baby.
Yeah, that shit hurt, though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, that shit hurt.
That's last one for the boys. Last one for the boys.
oh, this guy. Still going.
Like, comment, subscribe. Oh shit, my mouth's orange, bro. No! I need toothpaste. No. I need toothpaste. It's burning. Julio said, ah.
Did not do it like this.
He said, yo, I'm drooling, bro. Oh.
I don't suggest y'all try that shit, man.
This guy's booty said, "Huh?"